Tired of guessing your power bank's battery level? Today I'm showing you the best power banks with LCD displays, so you always know exactly how much power you have left. Check the product links in the description for more details. Let's jump in! Product 5, NEU 140EU Power Bank. Ever watched your laptop die mid-flight? I have. Airport outlets scarce, meetings start, panic quietly rises. My old power bank couldn't handle my MacBook anymore. Enter INIU 140W Power Bank, my new travel lifeline. 140 PD 3.1 superfast charging, laptop level power on the go. Massive airline approved 27,000 mAh, holds multiple full device charges easily. 3 ports let me charge 3 devices simultaneously. 18 safety protections and industry-leading 3-year INIU care. On a weekend shoot, I powered laptop and phone. MacBook Pro 16 reached about 59% in 30 minutes. Steam Deck, iPad, and iPhone topped up fast too. Bright OLED display shows exact percentage and charging time. Works with over 1,000 devices, universal convenience. Slim matte black design fits my bag without adding bulk. If you travel or work remotely, check the product link in the description. Don't miss out. Product 4, Anker Mago Power Band. Imagine a power bank that snaps on and charges instantly. Anker Mago, QI2 certified 15W ultra-fast magnetic charging. 0 to 50% in just 44 minutes. True speed. Slim, 10,000 mAh body gives 1.8 charges for iPhone 15 Pro. Built-in foldable stand turns charging into hands-free viewing. Smart OLED display shows percent, remaining time, and status. MagSafe alignment locks on perfectly. No fumbling needed. USB-C pass-through and included cable for wired 27W boosts. Active Shield 2.0 monitors temperature millions times daily. Safe. Perfect for commuters, travelers, and mobile professionals on the go. Charges earbuds, phones, small devices. Versatile charging solution. Note: Android phones charge normally, without magnetic $15 speed. Compact, premium finish fits pockets and airplane tray tables. 24-month warranty and friendly Anker support included for peace. Check the product link in the description. Don't miss it. Product 3, 130W Laptop Power Bank with dual ports cable. Late night airport. Laptop dying, presentation slides frozen, panic rising. I reach into my bag, fingers meet cold metal. A compact 20,000 mAh power bank gleams. OLED display alive. Built-in retractable cable unfurls. Connection made in one motion. 2 USB-C ports and USB-A deliver an astonishing 130 WH phone. Jumps 30% in 15 minutes. Disbelief turns relief. My laptop breathes life as 100 PD. Feeds it instantly. 3 devices charge at once. Tablet, phone, gaming handheld humming. OLED shows real-time percent. Input and output wattage clarity. Low current mode cares for earbuds and smartwatches without risk. Stowed in my bag, it remains travel-ready and unobtrusive. When depleted, 100 mAh recharge refills the bank in approximately 75 minutes. Durable retractable cable tested over 27,000 times, built to last. An 18-month warranty and helpful support. Ease my mind. Grab yours now. Power your day. Never worry again. Check the product link in the description. Grab yours before it sells out. Product 2, Anker Prime Power Bank. Airport layovers and dead devices. We've all been there. Low battery anxiety kills productivity on flights and remote work. Balancing chargers, adapters, and slow power drains is exhausting. Meet Anker Prime 27,000. Compact, TSA-approved power bank. 250 W multi-device charging. Laptop at 140 W while powering phone. Charges 16. MacBook Pro to 50% in 28 minutes. 27,650 mAh gives multiple charges. MacBook Air and several phones. 99.54 voice. Flight approved under TSA limits. Carry-on travel friendly. Use the Anchor app to monitor, locate, and control charging. Front OLED shows battery percentage, time remaining, real-time wattage. Refuel fast, 100 mAh 70 dual input fully recharges in about 37 minutes. On a business trip, I powered laptop, tablet, and phone. No outlets, no panic. Devices stayed charged all day. If you travel or work remotely, this is essential gear. Grab the Anchor Prime now. Check the product link in the description. Don't miss out. Product 1. INIU 100 WDU Power Bank. Midnight layovers. My devices barely lasted through one more hour. As a remote worker, I needed reliable power everywhere. Then I found the tiny INIU 100 25,000 mAh power bank. Pocket-sized but mighty. High capacity without the bulky bricks. Charges MacBook and iPhone fast. 25 minutes to real power. Dual device 110W output keeps work and play alive together. Steam Deck at full speed. No more interrupted gaming sessions. USB-C $100 in or out recharges itself fully in just 1.4 hours. Airline-friendly 25,000 mAh. One companion for week-long trips and tours. Built-in cable, wrist strap, and LED percentage. Ready anytime, anywhere. Safety first. Over 38 million users trust INIU's protection. Industry-grade 18 protections, plus a generous 3-year EU care. It means I never miss important moments or deadlines. Small device, big peace of mind for me and loved ones. Grab the INIU 100 WDU pocket charger. Travel light. Check the product link in the description. Don't miss out.